what it is.
Yeah, so basically this is the inCharge 6. We call it the Swiss Army knife of cables. And it's a very compact cable that you can attach magnetically on your keychain like this. So you always have it with you. And when you open it opens up like this. So you have all 6 different connections that you may need. So it replaces all of your cables. You have the core is C2C up to 100 watts. Then you can close this side and have USB-A to USB-C or USB-A to Lightning and micro USB, or you can open it again and you have USB-C to Lightning and micro USB. It's super compact. We also have it in 1.5 meters of length, so 5 feet. And you also have a protection cap that protects from dings and scratches.
Yeah. How much?
So this one is $29.90 and you can buy it on our website, rollingsquare.com, or on Amazon. Yeah. And we also have some longer versions, and this one we launched it on Indiegogo last year, and it raised $730,000 with 15,000 backers.
Very cool.